Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Bose QuietComfort Ultra headphones, and in this video I will show you how to use these headphones with 13 tips and tricks. So let's start. The first tip is about how to connect these headphones with your device. So first of all, turn on the Bluetooth on your device. So here is the Bluetooth icon. I will press and hold it, and then I will turn it on, and then I will press and hold it like this, and here is the Bluetooth settings. So I will select this Bluetooth settings option. Now the next thing is you have to turn on your headphones. So here is the power button. So you have to press it one time like this, the headphones will turn on. The next thing is you have to wear these headphones, and after wearing you have to press and hold this Bluetooth button for 5 seconds. So now I will wear these headphones. Okay, so I will wear them, and now I will press and hold the Bluetooth button for 5 seconds. So after pressing it for 5 seconds, you will see this Bose QC Ultra headphones available here. So I will select it, and then they will get connected, and then you can release the button. So now you can use them. The next tip is about Bose Music App. So if you want to use all the features of these headphones, you can use Bose Music App. So just go to the App Store and then search for Bose Music. So here is the app, and then you can download it, and then I will show you how you can connect these headphones with this app. The app is installed, so I will open this app, and then it will ask you for the Bluetooth access. So you can select this next option and then select this OK. Now here you see this option of connect a product. So you can select this option, and here you see this option of headphones and frames. So you have to select it, and then here it will ask you if you want to create Bose account. So I don't want to create any account, so I will select this skip option. Now here you have to select this terms of use and privacy policy, and then select I agree. And then here it will ask you if you want to allow notifications. So I will select no thanks. And then it will start searching for these headphones. So here you can see it is showing Bose QC Ultra headphones, and it is giving me the connect option. So I will select this connect option, and then it will start making the connection. So you just have to wait for a few seconds, and then here it will ask you if you want to give it any name. So you can select any name from here. So for example, I select this Bose QC Ultra headphones, and then I will save it. Okay, and then you have to wait for a few seconds, and then it will give you the next instruction. So here you can see it is showing you the demo. So if you want to use this demo option, you can use it. Otherwise you can skip it from here. And then here it is showing you the product tips. So I will select this all set option, and then I will select get started. So now you can see Bose QC Ultra headphones are now connected with Bose Music App with different features and functionalities, and you are now ready to go. The next tip is about controls. So here is the multifunction button, and you can use this button for controls. For example, if I want to play some kind of music, so I will press it one time. So I will show you. So now for example, if I press it one time, here you can see this video starts playing. Now if I want to pause it, again I will press it one time like this, and here you can see the video is now paused. The next thing is, if you want to move to the next track, you have to double press it. And then if you want to go back to the previous track, you have to press it 3 times. The next tip is about volume control. So here is the volume strip. So if you just slide it upside like this, the volume will increase. And then if you slide it down, the volume will decrease. The next tip is about answering or ending the call. So if you want to answer the call, you have to press this multifunction button one time. And then if you want to end or decline the call, you have to press this multifunction button 2 times. You can also use this multifunction button to switch between different modes. So you have to press and hold it. So for example, if I press and hold it like this, and then I will release it, it will go to the next mode. So now you can see it will switch to the immersion mode. Now if I press and hold it like this, and then I will release it, then it will go to the quiet mode. And then again, if I press and hold it like this, and then I will release it, it will go to the aware mode. So you can switch between different modes using this multifunction button. The next tip is about modes. So first of all, I will open the Bose Music App, and here you see this modes feature. So you can select it. So here you have three different options available. The first option is quiet mode. So quiet mode provides you full noise cancellation. The second option is aware. So in aware mode, you can hear your surroundings and your music at same time. If you select these three dots, from here you can also enable the active sense. So active sense adjusts the amount of noise cancellation. The next mode is immersion mode. So immersion mode is for highest noise cancellation level. You can also create up to 7 custom modes. Select this plus icon, and then here you can select any option. For example, I select this workout, and then from here you can customize this mode. So you can customize the noise cancellation from here. You can also enable the wind block option, and then from here you can also customize the immersive audio. So you can go for still or you can go for motion. Once you finish with your customization, you can select this done option from here and your new custom mode added. You can also favorite or unfavorite your modes. So for example, if I want to unfavorite this workout mode, so I will select this star icon. The next step is about equalizer. So here you can see this EQ feature. You can select it, and here you can see we have 4 different equalizer options available. You can go for bass boost, you can go for bass reducer, then we have this treble boost and treble reducer. You can also customize these EQs. So you can customize them from here. So here you can see I can easily adjust them from here manually, and if you want to reset them, you can reset them from here. The next tip is about immersive audio. So here is the immersive audio features. So immersive audio will give you highest noise cancelling level. So if you select this still option, audio stays in place, and this one is best when you are sitting down. The next option is motion. So if you go for motion, audio follows you. This one is best when you are moving around. The next thing is, if this immersive audio isn't sounding right, you can use the calibration feature. So you just have to go back from here, and then here you see this settings icon. You can select it, and then here you see this option of immersive audio. You can select this option, and here you can use the calibration features. Select this calibrate your headphones option, and then you will get these instructions. So you have to follow these instructions. The next feature is about volume strip shortcut. So you can use this volume strip as a shortcut as well. So here is the shortcut feature. So you can just select it, and then you can enable it from here. So here you can see it is giving you 4 different options. You can go for here battery level, or you can go for change immersive audio. Then you have access your voice assistant, and you also have the Spotify option. So for example, if I select this change immersive audio, then what I have to do, I have to just touch and hold this volume strip to cycle through still, motion and off settings in immersive audio. The next feature is about on-head detection. So by default, when you wear these headphones, audio will play, and when you remove these headphones, audio will pause. So you can adjust these settings. So here is the settings icon. So I will select it, and then here you have to scroll down, and here you see this option of on-head detection. So you can select this option. So here you can see, if you don't want these options, you can just disable it from here. The next tip is about auto off. So guys, to save the battery life, you can also set the time to power off automatically when you don't use these headphones. So what you have to do, you have to go into the settings, and then here you have to scroll down, and you will see this option of power. So you can select this option, and here you have different time options. So by default it is set to 24 hours. So for example, if you want to set it to 20 minutes, so now if you don't use these headphones for 20 minutes, they will power off automatically. The next tip is about multi-point connection. So you can connect these headphones with 2 different devices at same time. So here I have Android tablet, and on this side I have iPhone. So first of all, open the Bose Music app, and then select this settings icon. Once you go inside the settings, here you see this option of Bluetooth connections. So you have to select this option, and here first of all you have to enable the multi-point connection. So I will enable it from here, and then here you see this option of add new. So I will select this option, and then it will give you this ready to connect option, and here it will also show you your Bose QC Ultra headphones, and it is also showing you the connect option. So I will select this connect option on this Android tablet, and then you just have to wait for a few seconds for making the connection. So we just have to wait, and I will show you. So here you can see the device is ready and it is connected with the Android tablet. So here on your iPhone, it will also show you the second device. So if I just go back, and then if again I will select this Bluetooth connections, so here you can see now it is showing me the second device. So now you can use these headphones in both of these devices. The next feature is about self voice. You can adjust how much you want to hear your own voice during a call. So just go to the settings. Once you go inside the settings, here you see this option of self voice. So currently it is set to medium, but you can change it. So you just select it like this. Here you can see you have 4 different options. You can go for high, medium, low, or you can completely turn it off. The next thing that I want to mention here is I made a separate video about how to hard reset these headphones. So if you want to know, you can click on this video here. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.